They told you indoor gardening will be easy, but they forgot to mention that your plants might still die. Yeah, see, your plants still need the right kind of care. Your setup needs to adjust the light to fit their needs. And it's not that easy to pick up all the gardening hacks on the fly. Let's change that with Urbi, an interactive gardening station. The first device ever that grows your favorite plants, combining the thrill of a game with the precision of a botanist. Urbi smartly adjusts water, light, and nutrients for hundreds of different plants, so you can grow almost anything from a seed. In fact, it lets you talk to your plants through a companion app. So whenever they need pruning, pollination, or replanting, and just a bit of your love, you'll get real-time alerts telling you exactly what to do. That's how Urbi makes sure every little sprout thrives. Don't just take our word for it. Join our thriving community of urban gardeners. Share your green wins and meet new friends along the way.
Urbi grow.
We're naturally wired to seek connection with plants.
But living an urban, fast-paced life often gets in the way.
So we really wanted to restore this bond and design a product that brings nature inside. A few years ago, we developed We1 right here and shipped it to 2,000 people worldwide. Now we are excited to introduce our next-generation indoor gardening device.
Urbi is like a powerful computer built into a planter.
We designed a complete ecosystem that balances essential nutrients, fine-tuning the grow light spectrum for different plants and grow stages to amplify the results.
The second part of the challenge was mapping all that into an algorithm that predicts growth patterns, monitors their health, and spots potential issues before they arise. We aimed to transform the data into an engaging and simple experience that anyone can easily follow and enjoy.
With this kind of support, you cannot fail.
So here we are. After months of hard work, Urbi is ready.
We've partnered with a world-class manufacturer, and now we need your order to go into production.
So if you're a plant lover or you care about one, get them Urbi and help us bring the magic of gardening into every urban home and heart.